Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys a little bit of retime curve. So we have this clip here, and I'm just going to show you how to alter the keyframes in here and how this retime works. So when you grab your clip, just select the one you want to retime, hit Command R, and you'll get this retime curve palette up here. And right now it'll say speed change and give you the arrows. And in the middle is basically where you make all your control changes. There's a reset clip here. There's speed ramps, rewind, reverse, freeze frame, and then speed presets. So what you do is move forward to where you want the speed change to occur. I'm going to start right about here, go back to the middle and hit add speed point, and then go to wherever you want the speed point to stop and back to the middle and hit add speed point. Now wherever these little markers are, you can control them right here if you click on them, or change the speed with this bottom piece. So right now we're going to take the point in between these two markers, so the front and the beginning are at 100, and I'm going to slow this part down to 50%. So now wherever the yellow is where the speed change occurs. And it does need to render. You can actually, under your inspector, under Retime and Scaling, change it to Optical Flow. That might be a studio only feature, but there is a few options available there. Now that it's rendered, there's the slow-mo. It's a little bit choppy due to the screen capture. And then another thing you can do is, with your clip selected, Command R to get rid of your speed controls, which you can toggle that on and off. Shift C to open up your keyframes, and if it's not selected, click on the little arrow right here and choose retime speed. And you can't lasso, but you can click on the keyframe and change it to the linear. So now when it goes in and out of the speed ramp, it's going to have this nice smooth S curve. So let's watch what it looks like now. It's just way more natural than having that hard edge. And then you can close that back up with Shift C again and let it render cache. And it actually turns out to be a pretty nice looking slow-mo transition. And that's